Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this key fob. This is out of a CX5. Pretty straightforward process. You need a small flat tip screwdriver about this size, and one of the replacement batteries. This takes one of the 2025s. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. First thing you want to do is remove this mechanical key. Take this part, push it this way with your thumbnail, and pull the mechanical key out. Then here, you can see this side's pushed up a little bit more. If yours is like this, you just need to work your way under there and then just work your way around. Just give it a gentle twist. Once you have that apart, you can just pull this cover off. There's your battery. Take your old battery out. New one goes in, positive side facing up. Replace this cap. Squeeze these back in place. And you can test it right here. Make sure you get your red light. Replace your mechanical key, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.